Hey class, welcome to another episode of Brand Academy. As always, my name is Bran. I'm Mr. Wynn's twin brother. And today he's having me teach you guys about chapter 6.3 right here. Chapter 6.3, solving systems using elimination. Okay, actually, I know my future's a bit bright, so I put on my shades, but I think I can close some blinds here. That's a little better. All right. Anyways, please have your notes out. Write everything I'm writing on here. Make sure you are writing as well. You can print it out to yourself, either or. And just a side note, I'll be posting this on YouTube, so you can always, adjust the speed. Make it like 2 times faster, half time slower, or just hit pause whenever you need to hit pause. Okay. So it's kind of a little luxury when you're learning a lesson online here. All right, so here's the goal. Get one variable to have the same coefficient with opposite signs. Okay, same coefficient. Let's talk about that. When we say coefficient, okay, this definition here, it basically means the number in front of the variable. Okay, again, make sure you're writing all of this down. If you need to pause it. All right, for example, look at this here. All of these 5, 6, 3, 6, all of those are coefficients. Okay, they're numbers in front of the variables. That's it. Is this a coefficient? The answer is hell no, it's not. Okay, it's not a coefficient. This is just a constant. Right? A constant is just a number by itself. So again, coefficient is a number in front of a variable. So a variable has to be there. All right, so we're solving systems still. Okay, systems are kind of the big deal here. We already learned 2 methods. Okay, 2 methods from before. Those 2 methods, I'm writing them here. So throwback. We learned how to solve systems by graphing. Right, and that's the formula for that is y equals mx plus b. The lesson we learned for the past couple days now is called substitution. And this third one that we're learning today is called elimination. Elimination. The reason why it's called elimination is because now your goal is to eliminate a variable. Okay, make a note of that. Bam. Okay. So here's how this is gonna work. I'm gonna do the first one completely, on my own. You guys just follow along. You guys gonna pause the video for the second one. Can you hit pause here? You're gonna try this one on your own. And then back to this one, we'll do this one together. Okay? So that's kind of like the plan there. So solving the system using elimination. So again, the goal, look at the goal here. I'm just gonna re-emphasize the goal. The goal is, you guys don't have to write this part, but again, it's to get the same, let me move this here real quick. Get the same coefficient, again, the number in front of the variable, for one variable with the opposite sign. Opposite sign, okay? I'm gonna show you what that means here, okay? Because again, you want to eliminate it. After you do that, you're going to add the equations. So let's take a look how we're gonna do that here. Okay, let's check out step 1. We want to look at this. This is kind of an easier one. We want to get the same coefficient. So compare the 2. Right, we compare equation 1 and equation 2 here. Equation 1, boom. Equation 2, let's go blue. So is there a variable or is there a coefficient that are the same? Answer is yes, it's the 6 here, boom. Are they opposite signs? Answer again is yes. So this one's set up pretty nicely. So the fact that you have that set up, okay, same coefficients, they're both 6, and they should be opposite signs, which they are. So now all you have to do is you're going to add those equations. You're going to add them up. Probably make it red. You're going to add those equations up. Okay, you literally just add top to bottom. 5x plus 3x is 8x. So again, by design, look at this here. Negative 6y plus 6y. What is that going to be? It's going to be 0. They just eliminate each other out. Okay? Boom. They're gone. Eliminated. And then negative 32 plus 48. That's going to get me 16. Divide both sides by, not 2, divide by 8. X equals 2. Just like that. Easy money. So now what? What I do, we need to solve the system. We're going to plug this back into one of the equations. Doesn't matter which one. Let's plug it back to equation 1, okay? Just because, actually, see, it's too many negatives, right? I'm just going to do equation 2. Just because I see so many negatives in equation 1, I'm going to plug it in equation 2 here. Boom. Again, you're going to plug it in. 3 times 2 plus 6y. Boom. 3 times 2 is 6. Again, you'll pause the video, slow it down, whatever you need. Subtract 6 to both sides. These will cancel. Divide by 6. Hopefully you guys are pretty good with your multiplications table. Y equals 7. Bam. Just like that. So your final answer, 2,7. Okay, and that's how you solve a systems of linear equation by elimination. So again, okay, highlight these steps, box it. You need to get the same coefficient, and then you just add the equations. Okay, pretty easy. Some people like this over substitution, just depending on the problem. Okay. So right now I want you guys to pause the video here. Okay, we'll write the problem down, pause it, try it on your own real quick. Okay, using the exact same example from above, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so please pause it here. I'm gonna show the solutions. Okay. Shh. I'm showing the solutions. Okay, so hopefully it's unpaused now, right? Again, don't just like copy everything down. You need to have that learning in. So again, if you're seeing the solution right now but you didn't do the work yet, go back. Okay, go back, rewind it. Okay, and try this on your own. So I'm gonna explain this here, do a little walkthrough. So look here. Okay, it looks almost pretty good. So you have the same coefficient, right? You have that 10. The 10 is good. But what did I do here? Okay, it's kind of a new step. Yeah, if you guys got confused there, you can check the next step here. So look, I'm going to alter that equation. I'm going to change this one because it needs to be negative 10x, right? For it to eliminate. So in this case, I need to multiply everything by negative 1. So negative 1 times 10x is negative 10x. Negative 1 times 3y is negative 3y over here. And then negative 1 times 22 is negative 22. Okay, do we see that? All I did here, I just multiplied everything by negative 1. The reason why I need to do that is because my goal was to cancel these out. And the only way they cancel out is if I make one of them negative. So that's what I did there. And so from here, now we go back to the step where we just add those equations. Okay, I just took the original one, slide it over, you add the equation, and of course by design we did cancel out the 10x, right? That's the whole purpose of this. 25y minus 3y right here is 22y. 110, negative 110 minus 22 is negative 132. And then if you divide everything by 22 here, you're gonna get y equals negative 6. Okay, so Understand that part? This is the new spice here. Okay, we kind of spiced it up. Okay, so that's the thing I want you guys to see, right? Once you guys got stuck. And then from here, same old, same old. Plug this back in to your y. -6. -6 times 25. Just think quarters, right? 25 cents. You have 6 quarters. How much is that? $1.50, aka just 150. And then you add 150 to both sides. Boom. -110 plus 150 is 40. And of course, these would have canceled. 10x equals 40 divided by 10. Boom. X equals 40. X equals 4. Okay, pretty Gucci. Hopefully that was pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna do number 3. We're gonna do it together, okay? Again, this is all just the notes. It's just the practice part here. In class, the next time I see you guys, we're gonna do like a lot of in-class problems. Alright. Read this here. Read this to yourself. Read it out loud right now. Sometimes you must multiply one equation to get the same coefficient. Okay? So check this out. You have your 2 equations. Equation 1. Equation 2. If you notice, you look here, none of these matched up. Right? You can't eliminate anything right now. Okay, so you can't match it up. So you need to alter the equation. Kind of like what we did from number 2. Remember how number 2 is multiplied by that -1? Turns out you can really multiply by any number as long as it helps you out. So my question here is, do you want to eliminate the x or the y? You want to see which one is easier. In this case, I'm going to tell you right here, the y is easier to eliminate. Because what can I just multiply 2 by to eliminate the y? Good job. It's 3. You multiply the 2 by 3 to get to 6. But not just 3 though, right? You actually want to multiply by everything by -3. So you multiply everything by -3, you're actually going to get -15x. Right? -3 times 5x is -15x. -3 times 2y is going to be -6y. And then -3 times 14, -42. Boom. And the top equation, just move it over. Just move everything over. It's all good. Bam. So, and of course, by design, the reason why we did this is because we want to eliminate a variable. In this case, we eliminated the 6y. Boom. Okay, by design. Something should eliminate. If something doesn't eliminate, you did your last step wrong. So then 3x minus 15x is -12x equals -48. Divide both sides by -12. X equals +4. You guys should know what to do from here. Just plug it back in. Doesn't matter first or second. I'm just gonna do the first one since it says I'm right here. 5 instead of the x, I'm doing 4. (20) plus 2y equals 14. Subtract the 20. These would cancel. 2y equals -6. So if I'm going fast, just slow it down for yourself. Okay, we're trying to be quick math. Okay, we're trying to be a human calculator. Oh, I actually did this wrong. I divided by 3. It should be divided by 2. See what happens when you rush, guys? Don't rush. Divide by 2, right? Divide by 2. Y should equal -3. Boom. Final answer, 4, -3. Okay. Not too bad. Alright, if you follow along the video, your homework is done. That's it. Okay, come ready to just get some more practice problems, right? Do it on your own. And yeah, have a good rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow or Thursday. Oh, not me. My brother, Mr. Win. We'll see you guys in class. Alright, take care, guys.